Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Grape Seed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to upgrade your level in the gardening hobby until you reach level 7. And once you unlock level 7, you will be able to buy the Grape Seed from Blanc. Okay, I'm going to talk to Blanc to open the gardening store, and I've already unlocked this grape seed guys. My level now is 7. Okay, and for the grape seed you will need 160 golds to buy it. Okay, and this is the information. For the growth time, you need to wait for 10 hours to harvest this grape seed. And I'm going to go back to my home to show you how the grape looks like. Okay, and this is the grape. I still need to wait for about 6 hours guys to harvest this crop. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the grape in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.